Hello guys, today I show you how to change LCD on your iPhone 5s. So you can see here is broke, so you need other LCD and it's very easy to change, and I show you how you can change on yourself, because when you order this part he send you screwdriver with this and this plastic thing. So let's start. I show you how to change LCD for iPhone 5. First of all, there come two screw here down. You have to open this too. Then this rubber thing you put here and put your finger and try to push with this. So when you push this out in both sides, so they have one grip inside. I show you is push this out, then lift it up other side. So they have 4 screws. Basically it's already 3 screws on one put. So remove this screw. That is come out all unit. Basically this broke. So I took you already this old unit. So now I put this in. It's very easy to put. They have basically 3 grip. You joint first 3 grip. So when you push this 3 grip, put this metal piece back. This is basically safety for you. Have 4 screw, small tiny one. So let's check now. Yep, it's working. So I'll put screw back. They have 2 tiny screw for underneath. So now you can see it's working. If you like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.